Hello, my name is Lab1. Me and Ahmed will be going over our Lab 1. Ahmed will continue as it's on his computer. Ahmed?
Hello. My name is Ahmed, and I'll be doing the presentation of the according to the instructions. So we had to make a hello world Java file. So just before that, I have made a custom directory in my build, a folder, and within this folder, I have all my the Java file and the build file for that Java file. So just to quickly get rid of all the other executables which were built during testing. So I've just done that. Now we'll actually test it. And as we test the file, we see it was a success, and we see hello world as the is a proof for the file and the build working. And then we can even, to get very technical and to get very specific, we can even run the exact executable. So over here. So we get hello world over here. Now this was all, I've ran it, I've built it without the switch. And so we'll just get rid of the build again. And now I'll run the file and I'll build the file with the switch. So we're like this. And we see over here, so the switch is BTP605, and we see the switch is working. Why? Because when we ran the command line switch, see BTP605 and the team members Ahmed and Lukman, and we also see the ant run, the Java file that was being run, also hello world over here. So, and just a walkthrough of the changes for the coding file, for the Java file, I just made a new file for that, the hello world, as we can see over here. So you have a hello world Java, and then I put the code in it, and then I made a custom build XML, and yeah, and that was pretty easy work, and just ran that. As per the for the switch, we had to, as per the instructions, we had to change in the original source. So that we had to go through a couple of folders, and you ended up at the main Java file. And in that main Java file, where all the other command line switches were, like for example, the help switch or any other switches, where all the switches were in an if else statement, that is where I added the switch for BTP605, which was basically the code was, if the switch command line switch is BTP605, then print out BTP605 Ahmed and Lukman. And that's basically it for the coding part. Just to pass it back to Lukman.
I wanted to go over some of the challenges and difficulties me and Ahmed faced during the production of this lab. So, we at first attempted to work with Nant, and we found the file where the command line switches was, and we figured out how to modify it, but we were unsuccessful in being able to build it, as Nant seems to be a more out of date uh, software, and it was harder for us to work with it. And in the end, we decided to go with Ant, as it was much simpler in being able to work with it. And in the end, we figured it out, and now we're done. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.